Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and now just go to the display section right there. Here you will see the wallpaper section. Tap here, and as can you see, you can choose your new wallpaper from the live wallpapers, from the photos on your device, and also from the regular wallpapers on your phone. For example, we will go with this one. Now just tap here, and we want to change the whole lock screen. Just tap on the lock screen, and now we can check that. Yes, can you see our lock screen wallpaper has changed successfully. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.